Today we're introducing the BenchLab PyTools, a collection of small, practical Python tools that lets you interact with BenchLab telemetry across different platforms, operating system, and use cases. BenchLab PyTools is an open source toolkit built around the BenchLab Python sample code, which has been available since 2024. We built PyTools with two clear goals in mind. First, we want to show what's possible using the BenchLab Python API so developers can quickly build their own tools. And two, we want to make BenchLab telemetry available everywhere, not just on Windows and x86 systems, but also on Linux and ARM platforms. In this video, I'll briefly walk you through each tool included in PyTools and explain what problem it solves. To demonstrate cross-platform support, I'm running on an Orange Pi 5 Max 16GB powered by a Rockchip RK3588 SoC running Ubuntu Linux. At the time of recording, BenchLab PyTools includes 8 tools. You can access all of these tools by cloning the public GitHub repository. After cloning, simply run the PyTools launcher, which will provide you with a list of available tools, as well as help guide with installing any required dependencies. Note that you might need to run as super user or with admin privileges on your system, since BenchLab requires access to USB and serial ports. If you wish to launch a specific tool without the launcher, you can also do so with command line parameters. Now let's take a quick look at each tool and learn what it's used for. Let's start with the CSV Logger. The BenchLab Windows application already allows you to export telemetry to a CSV file, but only for one device at a time. The PyTools CSV Logger removes that limitation. It automatically detects all connected BenchLab devices, and each device gets its own CSV file, and the telemetry is logged continuously. These CSV files can later be opened in Excel, LibreOffice, or any data analysis tool for deeper inspection. This is especially useful for labs or test setups running multiple BenchLabs simultaneously. Next is the FastAPI Server. This addresses a key limitation of the BenchLab device, as its COM serial interface only allows for one application to talk to the device at a time. That's fine for most users, but it can be limiting for developers, system admins, or network-based monitoring setups. This tool demonstrates how you can solve that problem. Here's how it works. A FastAPI server becomes the single point of contact for a BenchLab device. The telemetry is then exposed via a REST API, and any other application can then safely request data from the API. This makes it much easier to integrate BenchLab into larger systems or services. The Graph Viewer tool provides a simple graphical view of BenchLab telemetry. It's built using Deer PyGUI, a lightweight and modern Python GUI framework. To be clear, this is not meant to replace the BenchLab Windows application. Instead, it just gives Linux users an easy way to visualize telemetry data. In its current form, it supports multiple BenchLab devices, but displays only one graph at a time. The real value here is that you can extend or reuse this code. For example, we recently helped BitsPower build a custom GUI tool based on this approach to monitor and export temperature sensor data for flow optimization R&D. HWiNFO is one of the most popular system monitoring tools among PC enthusiasts. The BenchLab Windows application already supports exporting telemetry to HWiNFO, but again, only for a single device. This PyTools module expands that support. Obviously, it works on Windows only, since HWiNFO is Windows-based, but it exports the telemetry from all the connected BenchLab devices. If you rely on HWiNFO for monitoring or logging, this tool will allow you to fully integrate your entire BenchLab fleet into that workflow. Next up is the MQTT Publisher. MQTT stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport, and it's a standard protocol widely used in IoT systems. This tool collects the telemetry from all the connected BenchLab devices and then publishes the data to a local Mosquitto MQTT server. From here, the data can be forwarded over a network stored into databases, visualized into dashboards, and integrated into a cloud or software as a service platform. In fact, this tool is what enabled one of our earlier proof of concept SaaS platforms. We also have the Terminal User Interface, or TUI. While text-based interfaces may seem old-fashioned, they're incredibly useful when trying to access remote systems or if you don't have access to a desktop environment on your system. The PyTools TUI automatically detects all connected BenchLab devices and lets you quickly inspect telemetry values. It's also lightweight and fast. The VU1 dial is a dynamic analog-style gauge developed by Streacom in collaboration with Sasa Karanovic. It features an e-ink display, RGB lighting, and a mechanical gauge aesthetic. Because the VU project is fully open source, we integrated it directly into PyTools. This module includes the VU server and a text-based configuration interface. Using this tool, you can map any BenchLab telemetry value from multiple BenchLab devices to any connected VU dial. WigiDash is a 7-inch touch panel command interface developed by Gskill in collaboration with Elmo Labs. It works best in tandem with the Windows software and its many widgets. However, rather than building a widget for the Windows application, we built an interface that lets you access BenchLab telemetry from any of the connected devices. The WigiDash tool includes 3 main screens. We have a fleet view, which you can use to select any of the BenchLab devices. We have an overview page, which shows you all the telemetry for a selected device. And then we have a graph view, which lets you visualize selected telemetry data. All functions can be accessed by touching the screen, including returning to the fleet selection page and shutting down the device altogether. In conclusion, BenchLab PyTools gives you multiple ways to access and work with BenchLab telemetry, whether you're logging data, building dashboards, integrating into networks, or creating custom hardware interfaces. All of the code is publicly available, so you're free to fork it, modify it, or reuse it in your own projects. And if you have a specific requirement or ideas for new tools, we're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and be sure to visit benchlab.io for more information about our products and accessories.